Hello guys, welcome to another Jelly Views video. If you're tuning in today, it's our first of our series for the Maldives and Dubai. Dubai and Maldives, I get that right first way around.
Yeah.
Kind of really excited about this.
Yeah, so we had our PCRs yesterday. They come back this morning negative. Imagine how excited we were when we got those back, basically.
For anyone who's travelled during the pandemic, there's an element of excitement to your holidays, but the excitement doesn't come until you've got the results for your PCR.
We finished work a little bit earlier today. We headed up to Heathrow, where we're staying at the Sheraton Skyline Hotel, which is on Bath Road.
Yeah, we just arrived, and it's first impressions really, really nice here. There's a funny story, but we'll tell you that when we get to the room. We've just got our bags and everything, so we're just gonna go head up to the room and give you a little room tour. And we know some people asked for a pack with me video from the last time we went to Maldives. We're not doing that as a separate video. When we're in the room, we'll get set up, we'll show you some of the things we're packing. Yeah. Not a whole total list, like a half and half.
Yeah, just general bits and bobs that you may need if you go to the Maldives.
Yeah, so anyways, we'll go up to a room, see what our room's like. Right, this is our room, 2007, moment of truth. Ooh, this is nice. We just checked into our room. Now, one room is not complete until you've done the ultimate hotel room bed test.
Oh, that looks comfy.
Oh, it is.
The thing is, this bed is so big, we're definitely going to get lost in it tonight.
Yeah.
I mean,
freaking look
what
outside.
size is
This must be like a
Just
queen
put
size.
in perspective.
It's like fucking huge. Let's give you a little tour of our room.
So you enter the door, and then you've got a wardrobe with a safe as you enter the door. Quite a decent size safe. You've got an ironing board, trouser press, and you've got robes. As you come in, on your right hand side you've got your bathroom, which is a good sized bathroom. Just one sink, toilet with a shower over the bath, plenty of towels if you need it. And then you've got this massive, gigantic bedroom with this giant bed, which is really lovely. You've got a desk area, you've got a little seating area. Basically you could fit a family of 10 in here. We've also got a TV and lots of drawer space. But we're only here for one night, so we won't be unpacking anything. Yeah, we have actually got a view of the airport.
Let's have a look at the view.
We'll show you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, look. You can see the...
No,
I mean, the light's so glary, you can see the taxiway. I can see some British Airways jets, but we'll show you in the morning, because it'll be a lot better. We normally book, when we come to, obviously when we did our Maldives last year, obviously we flew from Heathrow, the other two we haven't. During summer we were Stansted. We stayed at the Hilton Garden Inn. Which
is lovely. Really, really lovely. It's very close to the airport, so for convenience, it's really good.
Yeah, but it's like about 120 a night, plus the Heathrow long stay parking.
About 90 quid easily.
About 90 to 100, about 100 I think, 99
So yeah, for one night and some parking, you're probably looking at about £200 plus.
But for this, for the Sheraton Skyline, parking for 15 nights was 117 quid in total.
Yeah.
And they do a hopper bus from here, it's £6 one way or £11 return.
Yeah, so that's obviously how we're going to get over to Heathrow tomorrow when we go.
Yeah.
But yeah, we did think about walking it, but yeah, no, that's not going to happen.
Well, I mean, we've got loads of time.
But
so
it's quite a long way.
Yeah, so our flight's tomorrow at 8:20. And this is obviously a pre-travel day, so we're going to show you the suitcase in a bit. I'm still out of breath from freaking jumping on that bed.
And climbing the stairs.
Yeah, it's just really nice in here. We just... we
climb the stairs, there are lifts.
You have to use your key card to get in the lift.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we didn't tell you. James had one job. Parked up at the Sheraton.
Oh
the Sheraton Heathrow, may I add. There's two Sheratons at Heathrow. The Sheraton Heathrow and the Sheraton Skyline. James had one job to put in the correct hotel into the sat nav. We ended up at the wrong one.
But hang on, in my defence, I typed in on Google, Sheraton skyline, it come up with the postcode. But apparently it's a common thing where people go to the wrong hotel.
Yeah, so we sat in the car, eating our pizza. We must have sat there for about half an hour eating pizza.
Yeah.
Went to the check-in, oh, this is lovely.
Yeah.
Was it the wrong
But
one?
this is nice.
This is still lovely, yeah, don't get me
It's
wrong.
just as grand, isn't it?
But yeah, no,
Cool.
we ended up at the wrong hotel, but we finally made it about 2 hours later. I just actually can't get over how big this bed is.
Yeah, I know. We're going to sort ourselves stuff out and we'll catch you up in a few minutes when we've sorted our suitcase out, and we'll do a go through like what we've packed with us specifically for the Maldives, not Dubai, because Dubai's anywhere, like Maldives is a bit more different when you pack because you don't need all the accessories. And anyway, we'll talk to you about that in a little bit. I think as you can see, we've got all our stuff out ready. We're going to show you kind of what to pack for the, we said earlier about the Maldives. One lesson we learned from a previous trip is you don't need to pack heavy at all. First thing, I went out and bought a life jacket with the Maldives, because even if you're in an all-inclusive resort, you're like...
Depends on the island, I guess, but...
Yeah, but mostly, I mean, like, for a life jacket like this, for me, this is an extra large. So, I mean, per day, I'm going to look like a freaking Teletubby now, but you can all laugh at this.
James you can't really swim, can you? So
no, I can't swim. I look like feel like I'm back in the police again, like I did back in the day. But when you go to the Maldives, so when we went to the cruise, they charged between $7 and $10 a day for hiring just a life jacket. We bought this for £25 at Decathlon, and for anyone who's going, you don't really like. I mean, own snorkel. Most people don't really rent a snorkel these days. Decathlon, £18 for a snorkel. Bought our own flippers as well, because these, I mean, in the Maldives they charge you something between $5 and $6 a day for hiring these. So you think life jacket, flippers and a mask can charge you between 18 to 20 bucks a day for the full set.
But yeah, I mean, they'll be useful if we go elsewhere as well.
Yeah, so, I mean, yeah, it is handy. I mean, they don't take up no room in the suitcase, as you can see. These are about £18 out of Decathlon. There's a bargain. Obviously, when we've gone, we've got all our tech. We've got drone cameras, everything like that. I'm not going to show you that. If you want to see that video, we have our beef pack with this video, which will pop up here or there. I don't know where it'll pop up. So Ellie's got, I can't remember what you float. It's like, oh, what's this?
Yeah.
Bit of Baywatch action going on here in the Maldives.
Definitely.
Please stay tuned for a few videos time.
That's not going to happen. So do not be disappointed when that doesn't happen, because that's not going to happen. Anyway, James can't swim, hence he's got the life jacket. I am a good swimmer. However, over the years I've got less and less confident, basically, haven't I?
It's because of me, because I can't swim.
I'm just always worrying about what James is, you know, what's going on with James. So I thought, you know what, I don't want a full-on life jacket. But this was, how much was this? £5?
Yeah, about £5-6.
£5-6 from Decathlon.
And it weighs, literally, when I mean it's like a feather, it weighs nothing.
Yeah, and I just think I've got quite bad asthma at the moment, so at least that will give me something I can just hold on to in the sea. But then, unlike James, James has got a full face snorkel, whereas I struggled last year in the Maldives. Yeah, the full face ones are not very good. So if you have got asthma, I wouldn't recommend the full face ones. It has been known for people to pass out in the water, which is obviously not ideal. So yeah, I got the, it's a set, I think it was about £10, and you get a pair of flippers, a snorkel, and the goggles in there.
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you can't really go wrong, really. If you want something, you know, swimming related.
Yeah, also,
head to Decathlon.
Another tip for anyone who comes, if anyone saw a Skiathos video of the Skiathos Palace Hotel review, you know how many little plugs there were in a hotel room. So this is probably like our best travel companion we can get in it. Like, you travel with all our equipment. The drone, got a 3-pin socket, which is in my bag, I need to get out. So you've got 3 USB, do the drone, GoPros, our watches, our smart watches, phones, all in one. So if there's limited plugs in a room, always carry these. And in the Maldives, for anyone who's not from the UK, 3-pin plug sockets in the Maldives. For the majority of resorts, Kurudu had 3 pins. The resort we're going to is Umi Cocoon. They use 3-pin plug sockets. We don't know what Dubai is going to be like pin socket wise. Also, I want to talk to you about, I mean, we haven't gone to a resort that's speedboat wise, so please, if you're travelling to the Maldives and you need a speedboat, look it up yourself. We've done seaplane, and they're very strict on luggage allowances, so...
Very strict.
We're flying with Emirates, 30 kilos standard. And I think hand luggage is about 8 kilos with Emirates, I believe.
7, I think.
Yeah, but seaplane with hold luggage, so something, a big case like this, 20 kilos maximum you're allowed to take.
And they're very strict.
With hand luggage, so you have to be 5, no more.
They're strict with these as well.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So your hand luggage, they will literally, and we've never done this anywhere we've gone to an airport, but they literally put your hand luggage on a scale, and if you're 0.1 kilo over, you'll have to wear it. So they're very strict if you're flying Trans-Maldivian Airways, I think.
Yeah. I just think in general, because there's, and also be warned as well if you are going by seaplane that your luggage may not arrive at the resort at the same time as you.
Oh yeah, just so don't be alarmed about that.
It was fine. Our suitcases come on the same seaplane, but it wasn't a very busy flight, was it? But yeah, be warned that it can take a couple of hours and your luggage will sometimes arrive later than you. Yeah, so the resorts we're staying at, we haven't told you what resort. Sorry, I'm still out. I'm going to have to find a temperature gauge in here and turn it down because I'm roasting. Dubai, we're staying at the Jameer Zabel Saray. Which is on the Palm.
So it's on the left side of the Palm. If you look at it, it's like... We thought it was going to be so easy to get into the centre, but apparently it's a 3.2 mile walk to the Atlantis, which is very north of the Palm, which has a metro line going down into Dubai City. Might be a little bit of a nightmare, but taxis are quite easily available in Dubai and everything. We're going to be booking our trips in Dubai, which we'll tell you a little bit later. So we're in Dubai for 4 days, 3 nights, 4 whole days, and then we're going to the Maldives for 7 nights, and we're in a overwater villa at You and Me Cocoon.
Overwater Suite, sorry.
Oh, Overwater Suite, yeah. So
Aqua Suite we are, and we're staying at the You and Me by Cocoon in the Maldives. Which is a much smaller island than when we went to Karoo. It was much smaller than Karoo.
Yeah.
So it'll be a completely different experience.
Not to get confused with You and Me Maldives. So You and Me Maldives, You and Me Cocoon Maldives. We're at You and Me Cocoon, which is adults only. So that'll be really nice.
Yeah.
Another great tip for you if you're going to the Maldives. For mostly women and men, I'm just travelling with the trainers I'm wearing to the airport. Maldives is like barefoot living, so you do not need any shoes, sandals.
We have James has brought a pair of flip-flops with him. So all James has got is his trainers to travel in, and obviously they're for Dubai. He will not need them in the Maldives at all.
No.
And then obviously a pair of flip-flops if you want. However, if you are staying on the island that we're going to...
women don't need heels.
Yeah, but you will need shoes to go down to the underwater restaurant, which is the H2O restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
That is the only time that you're going to need some shoes there at that resort.
Yeah, we're not dining at the underwater restaurant because we've had a look at it. It's nothing like what we ate at the 5.8 undersea restaurant.
No.
Nothing compares to it, so we're not going to be doing that experience because you know what it's like when you've had something so good and you do something, you'd be like, you're a little bit underwhelmed with the experience, and I don't want that because we had a private sitting and we're not going to beat that. So.
But shoe wise for me, all I've got is just got a pair of high-top Converses, which I'm wearing to the airport tomorrow.
Yeah.
And obviously for Dubai, I've got those to be able to be comfortable and walk around in. I've also got a pair of sandals, just like a little pair of sandals, and I've got a pair of flip-flops.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is all you need. When I say to you, do not pack shoes, please do not pack shoes.
No.
It's different for some of our islands that are a bit more... Some islands, they've got like concrete and stuff like that, but mainly they are just sand, and you won't wear your shoes. I bought about 5 pairs last year, and I think I wore my sandals only.
Yeah, didn't wear a lot, did you?
No.
And we've brought some snacks with us for breakfast because the hotel didn't include breakfast. We've just got like a chocolate and almond. These are for the plain because we don't really like Emirates food. Some little
These are the best because they're like 70p from Aldi. They taste just like the
Percy Pigs
from M&S, but a fraction of the price. And they're vegan. So yeah, win-win.
Very good. And then we've got this. So we ordered Papa John's, but I don't think we said. We had 2 large pizzas and like a side because we haven't eaten since like 11:45 this morning. So we've got that to drink. Just got this drink. It's alcohol-free cider. We don't drink alcohol. Well, I don't really fancy it, to be honest. Tastes exactly the same. We're going to get ready now, and then we're going to book some trips for Dubai. We've made an itinerary and everything. We'll tell you about that in a little bit, but we need to get these booked. One of them's a tour we're going to be doing in the morning, and we'll share a little bit of information about that with you in a bit, I think, because these trips we're going to be doing are pretty damn awesome. Ellie's not going to be on camera. She's just had a shower. She looks like Medusa when she's got out. I mean, her hair goes really wiry and wacky. But I was just about to show them. We've booked some things, but we're going to tell you tomorrow. I've only booked one of them, but we'll talk to you in the travel day, what we're going to do in Dubai, so stick around for that. Also, we just want to know we set up a buy me a coffee page, so if you like our videos and that and you wish to support us, there'll be a link in the description down below. Also, if you've made it this far to the video, give us a like so we know you've made it this far in the video. And also, just to let you know, about 88% of you that watch our videos aren't subscribed. If you hit the subscribe button, it's absolutely completely free. It doesn't cost you anything, just hit the subscribe button. Al, we'd like to know, what would you like to see what we do in Dubai? Let us know. We've got a few things we're going to tell you tomorrow, so stick around for the travel day. Yeah, leave us a comment. What did you like about travel day? Do you like our room? What are your best bits on your travel day? Do you have a pig out session? When does your holiday start for you? Drop us a comment down below. It helps our channel massively. And also give us a like, because that helps our channel massively as well. Helps you push it around YouTube and everything like that. So it's a bon voyage from me, and we'll see you tomorrow for a travel day. Night, guys.